We use a lot of vertical kicking at PAC. I think that you can use it in almost any phase of your training. So you can use it in the build-up phase, you can use it in a power phase, we use it even during taper for explosive movements. Normally we do a series of maybe 4 to 6 jumps, vertical jumps, and we usually do maybe 8 times 6 vertical jumps or 6 times 4 vertical jumps. The purpose here is to really get some hamstring work in. It also encourages fast feet. It also obviously encourages fast movement of the feet and helps prepare the swimmer for breakouts off the walls. Anything coming off the wall that requires power, the vertical kick helps with also. We use mostly fly kick. You can vertical kick anything, but we use vertical mostly jumps for fly because it encourages equal power in the up kick and the down kick in the fly. Also, as I said, we do short bursts with this vertical jumping, vertical kicking. One set that I love to do the most is either 8 times 4 vertical kicks or 6 times 6 vertical kicks or 6 times 4 vertical kicks. So you'll go 6 times and then 4 verticals every single time. And we'll demonstrate that in the water for you. This is Robert O'Gorman and Manny Avila. They are going to be demonstrating some vertical jumping and vertical kicking. Obviously, a tight streamline is one of the most important factors. You're going to go ahead and give me 3 beautiful vertical jumps. Okay, so the swimmers go down to the bottom, both feet on the bottom, jump up. It's very important that there are 2 full fly kicks. We're building a lot of strength. We can use this for power. We can use this in our aerobic buildup. We use it, obviously the most important thing here is fast feet because your feet have to be pretty fast to get 2 full fly kicks in. We're going to go 6 times 6 on 30 seconds. Ready, go. So when you're observing swimmers doing vertical jumping, you're looking for a lot of different things. You want to make sure their head position is right, meaning it's right in between their arms. You want to make sure their streamline is tight, like Robert's. Manny's is a little bit weak right here. The next thing you're looking for after head position is, are they using their core or are they not using their core? Because to be successful here, you've got to engage your core. You want to look for the motion of the hips. Are the hips moving? And then, of course, most importantly here is fast feet. We're looking for fast enough feet to get 2 full fly kicks. I like to have them turn in different angles so that I can check out what's happening from all different sides. Sometimes it's easiest to see if this is being done correctly if you're observing your swimmer from the side. I had a question about how wide should the feet be. I believe that your feet should be as wide as they are when you're swimming butterfly. So some swimmers are too wide, too narrow, and you can correct it here also. But they will find out what the best position is for their feet after a few rounds of doing this. So now we're just going to talk a little bit just to clarify the difference between vertical jumps and vertical kicks. So vertical kicking is very simple. It's kicking that's done vertically, and you can really do it with any stroke. So obviously the goal here is to keep the water at shoulder height. You're keeping up your momentum, you're keeping good force in your kick. When I ask my swimmers to go fast with vertical, I usually have them attach a streamline to that because that's how they're going to be swimming. So it makes it a little harder, and they usually sink a little, and that's okay, but you can't go too many seconds fast. So 5 seconds medium, it's kind of a setup. And go. 5 seconds fast. So you can see it's a lot more difficult to go fast. Stop. Thank you. Squeeze all the way, Manny. Go. Sinking, 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 sinking. Stop.